Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to today's video. I'm starting today's video right in the backyard.
Auntie
So I want
to ask you a question.
Oh, hi. How are you?
Fine. So you see,
Uh-huh.
you remember that fight about Marshall and Ginger?
Yeah.
And the winner was Marshall. It was over here when I came. Right, like that.
Yeah.
And that was spooky. So you can continue your channel.
Okay. Say subscribe.
Guys,
Without
subscribe
showing
and
your face.
like the video.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. So that was my nephew. He wanted to tell me a story. He was telling me about the way the dogs started a fight a while ago, and we were trying to basically separate them. I think I will even go around the house to show you what they are doing, what they are up to right now. I wanted to undo my clothes, so let me just go and see, because I washed them earlier today and I want to see if they are dry now, and then I'll undo them. So let's go to the hang lines. Uh-oh. Oh, almost everything is still wet, which is fine. We had a pretty gloomy day today, so I completely understand why they are all still like, yeah. So let me give you outfit of the day. Yeah, so that's what I'm wearing. And then here, this is where we play, oh my God, archery. Is it archery? Comment down below and let me know if you know what this game is called. I actually had that thing. I'm not very conversant with the names of this game, but earlier today I tried playing it with, oh, actually it's here. This is what I meant. Let me try in the dark. Uh-oh, almost. Anyway, guys, let me try one last time and then we continue. Oopsie, because I'm doing with the left hand, so it's fine. Yeah, so let's go and look for the dogs. And this is what I used to feed them with. I need to come wash their plates. And another one, I can't see the rest. I think they are soaked somewhere. Oopsie, I forgot this. Guys, so let me, earlier today also, another thing I did was I trimmed grass using this. Guys, I'm so poor with like naming stuff and all that. Yeah, well, let me show you the cute dog is coming. Snow, Snow, come. How are you? How are you, Snow? Another one. Oh my God. These ones don't make noise when they're jumping on you, but they're really cute. Oh boy, Akim, come. I'm so scared. I don't know why I never get used to them. So anyway, they're playing.
How does my slide tackle keep racing?
What is that?
It's how you hurt a dog.
It's called?
How you hurt a dog.
It's called sly what?
Tackle.
That's...
You have tackle.
Okay, right now in the dark, I cannot accurately tell you their names. Oopsie, see where they took one of their things, like cooking items. So guys, Amanda, what are you up to? She's so shy. She went back. Yeah. Let's see. That's my nephew. Ever busy running with the dogs. Yeah, so I want to go and show you what I was doing today. Oopsie, it's hard. Yeah, so let me show you what I was doing earlier today using that axe thing. Ile kitu inaitwanga aje? Ile ya kutrim hapa. Atisa? Oh, okay. I'll use the word trimmer. Yeah, so niko na microphone. Yeah, so that's what I was using to do these. Just see how seamless that is. Very neat. Yeah, so this makes the way to the small gate very, very clean. And then let me show you, let me give you another view. Yeah, so that's basically how it looks like. I did a lot today. And then here, we are unable to go there because it's quite dark. Here, there's no any light. So let's use here. Yeah, so it looks really nice, guys. And then, of course, also cleaning the compound and all that. Yeah, so everything looks very, very neat. Let me also show you this section. Guys, today I was so busy, like keeping, I don't know, as much as I try to be so active, I always still feel like I didn't do enough for some reason. So even when I do like cleaning the compound, when I do anything, like I still feel like I should have done more for some reason. I don't know. I think it's because I feel so much pressure to lose weight and look better. Yeah. So that makes me to always feel like I should have done more. Anyway, let me take you to the place where I threw all the dirt I collected from the compound. Yeah, so all this. Of course, I didn't do like everything 100%. Let's say I did 50 and my brother did 50. So all this we collected, and today is Saturday. Usually trash goes out today, but it didn't. So yeah, the guys called and they'll pick the trash tomorrow, which is okay. It's fine. One more day is okay. So also here, guys, in case you're wondering, this is I'm not so familiar with some terms, so bear with me, excuse me. But this is, I don't know the right word, but anyway, it's this. It's one of the things they use when they want to do cabros or what, like to make the compound look neat. Yeah, it's one of the things they use. And then this other side looks like that. Oh, it looks really cute. I really like how it came out. And then we planted this little tree and watered it, of course. Yeah, it looks so cute. And we put some grass on it. Yeah, so which is really interesting. And here, this is how it looks like here. Guys, I'm so excited about this video because I've never done like a compound video. in the dark. Ooh, look at that light in the evening and the trees around it. It looks really, really cute. Oh my gosh, we put in so much work to make all these plants and trees look as nice as they do. And then also this one, this is it an avocado tree? No, it's not. It produces some interesting flowers, and also the leaves, when they fall down, they look yellowish, which is really interesting. And then at the corner there's another very interesting plant with yellow flowers. Right now it's dark, so it's not so easy for you to see the yellow plants. And then also here on this side, you can see that nice man-made forest. Let me call it that. Yeah. So that is it for the front yard, guys. But otherwise it still has so much work to be done. Like, you see, guys, at home it never gets done. Like every time you have to keep adding something. Let me just show you how the dogs are coming.
We're going for a walk.
Wow. Oh my gosh, they want to break into another fight. But they won't. Yeah. So I'm going to use the other side because let me show you this cutie one. Hi, cutie. This one loves people so much. Her name is Snow. And the rest, there they go. Yeah. So guys, let's use the other side to go back to the backyard. Oh, I really like this hairstyle of mine. The braids look really cute. And then also let me show you here. Oh, that's so cute. That is so cute, guys. That is so cute. Yeah. It looks. Oh, so the lights are sensors. The lights have sensors. That's why you're seeing here it looks more. Yeah, and it went off because I've stayed here for like 2 seconds. And it went on again. So let's go back to, guys, look. That's the best thing about planting trees. You have a beautiful compound. So let me just take you back there to show you the dog kennel, the upcoming dog kennel. So right now, like when there's visitors or workers, that's how. Okay, I'm just gonna. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll do a proper video of that. I didn't want to stay behind for so long because it's a bit dark right now. And I don't want like the flies, the mosquitoes to bite me. I've seen there's a couple of them back there. Yeah, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll post more of these videos. You know, I like to mix up my content to see what you guys really like. And last time I did a video of this of the compound at daytime, and I thought the response was really nice. So I'll be doing more of that. But I did that earlier this year. Yeah, and the response was really good. So I'll be doing more of those also, hopefully, and other nice things, you know. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And let me also show you, let me show you this. Look at that light at night. It looks really nice. So I'm going to close the video here, and I'll see you next time, guys. And you can also comment down below if you like shorter or longer videos, but I like to mix my videos. I like to do longer and shorter, you know, to see what you guys like, so I can do more of that. Yeah. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. I have to go in and shower and eat and, you know, rest a bit and maybe edit other older videos. Yeah, but don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel, guys. Otherwise, thank you so much for your support. And you know, when you watch and comment and like and share, it gives me the motivation to keep posting. Anyway, I love doing this, but I hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, so I'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.